To send money from PayPal to Jamaica, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account, as this is required to send money internationally. If you have not verified your account, you can do so by linking a bank account, credit card, or debit card to your PayPal account. Next, you will need to ensure that the recipient in Jamaica has a bank account or a mobile money account that can receive international transactions. Some popular options in Jamaica include National Commercial Bank, Bank of Jamaica, and mobile money services like M-Pesa. To initiate the transfer, log into your PayPal account and click on the Send Money tab. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, and select Jamaica as the destination country. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send and choose your funding source. PayPal will then provide you with the exchange rate and the fees associated with the transfer. The fees typically range from 2 to 4% of the transfer amount, depending on the funding source and the recipient's country. Review the details carefully before confirming the transfer. Once you confirm the transfer, the funds will be deducted from your PayPal account, and the recipient will receive the money in their local currency. The transfer time can range from a few minutes to a few days, depending on the recipient's bank and the time of day. To avoid any issues or delays, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your PayPal account, and that the recipient's account information is accurate. It is also a good idea to inform the recipient of the transfer, so they can track the status of the funds. In addition, be aware of PayPal's transaction limits, which vary depending on your account type and verification status. You can check your account limits by logging in to your PayPal account and viewing your account overview. By following these steps and best practices, you can send money from PayPal to Jamaica quickly and securely. Always review the transfer details carefully, and ensure that you are sending money to a trusted recipient.